Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to change the max players that can join your Windrose server. The first thing you'll need to do, of course, is log into your Pine hosting game panel. And next you'll need to head over to the startup tab. Now here what you'll need to look for is the max players section. When changing this, it is important to note that changing the number of players that can join your server directly also affects the performance of your server. If you decided to have 6 players on, that will automatically reflect with your server's resources. If you decided instead to have the maximum allowed number, which is 10 players, then that will increase the resources your server consumes. So it is always good to keep that in mind. So now we're gonna go ahead and change this number to 8 people, for example. And finally, we're gonna head back into our console tab here and restart our server. Restarting the server will automatically apply those changes, so 8 players can actually join your Windows server. And just like that, our server is now up and running with the max player cap changed. If you require any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.